Hello and welcome back to this video. I would like to show you how I remotely control my dust collection with about 40 meters outside of the shop using this little gadget and this little box up here. One thing is important, your safety is your own responsibility. I found it extremely useful and it's a lot of fun to have such a little helper here. If it's for you the right choice, I leave this up to you. Last but not least, I would like to recommend you a good old friend of mine. I will link his channel down below in the video description. He's called Papa Mike DIY. He's a very funny and great family guy and we all enjoy to watch his videos a lot. And if you have watched his videos, make sure that you come back to watch mine again. One little thing, please keep watching until the end. I will link all the material and all the little components I used in the description. If you like this video, give a thumbs up, comment, share and make sure you hit the bell. Thanks for watching and see you on the next episode. I've got, since quite a long time, a self-made dust collection system in the backyard, which I always have to walk 30 meters to turn it on. I have to walk back to the workshop and then do my job. Whenever the job is finished, I have to get back, turn it off and then have to go back and clean up in the workshop. Therefore, I was thinking, how can I remotely control the on and off switch of this dust collection system? The thing is, the dust collection system has a special security switch for 400 volts, which actually protects the motor of overheating. So if ever the motor risks to overheat, there's a relay inside which will then stop the engine and provide that everything keeps cool. I found this eco-worthy thing on Amazon again, doesn't cost that much, and I've got these two linear actuators. I even got a small gadget with them. It comes with a handy small remote control. Alright, let's assume this is the power switch. There's a stop and a start button. From here, from the workshop, I then easily can switch to start. Then it takes about 20 seconds. This is the time I have to wait. And now the dust collection system would start to run. Alright, dust collection system is running. I finished sewing, I finished cleaning up, so I would like to stop the motors. I then just switch on here to stop and then back forward. This one at the end position will stop the motor running. I also got the choice of using the remote control. I even can stop, turn it back, and go again. Alright, I guess some clever guys that will ask me, yeah, why did you get a short one and a longer one? I can't really tell you, I just got these two to see the difference, how they work. I actually just have to wait a little longer that the motor will be shut off. Alright, let's go to work. So here's the final setup of the control box with the linear actuators. They sit in here as you saw before. I even got electric box to clean up the wires. And then here you have the special switch, the main power switch with the thermostat inside. And now check it out, let's try. Start. And now let's try to stop it. That's a pretty good job, I would say. Very easy and very efficient. Alright, so there are two more things I would like to tell you. Be careful about how you position your actuators. They should just push a little bit into the button, but not too much. And of course, if they don't push enough, it will not work. If ever, as soon as the engine is running, make sure that you take back the pressure of the green. The green button needs to be free, because if it's not free, then the thermostat and also the red button will not work, so they cannot stop the engine. Alright, so we got here this small control box I was making. This is controller inside. I've got my handheld remote control. Got here on and off manual switch, which I actually don't need anymore. And if ever I turn it on, you will see the red button coming up. So now I just have to wait 20 seconds. And then my lovely dust collection is going to work. And if ever I want to stop, I just click on B, channel B. The LED is switching to green, and if ever the engine is out, it will turn neutral again. And the source to supply this, I just had to cut a normal standard handy charger wire, and the handy charger cable, which is here. Yep. So this is actually it. Handy charger cable, 6 volt, to make work this little box. And the good thing is the remote control is really working quite impressively stable and reliable. So everything is good. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video. If ever you have any questions, don't hesitate, contact me. And hope to see you on the next video. So, jetzt kannst du oben drücken, das oberste.
Da!
Ja, warte. So.
Du sagst was!
Dann musst du drehen dich noch ein bisschen. Gut?
Jetzt?
Ja. Warte, warte.